Welcome to Settlers Square, an Alex Meisner community located just north of Cedar City in Enoch, Utah. Welcome to the Dover at Settlers Square. This is one of our most popular floor plans. The Dover is a single-level floor plan, featuring 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms across 1,467 square feet. Many homeowners have chosen to add a 3rd car garage or an unfinished basement to this plan for additional space. Another option for homeowners who love the Dover but would like additional square footage is the Dover Expanded Plan. This floor plan still features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, but spans across 1,546 square feet because of added space in the living room. The Dover is a very manageable sized home, giving homeowners enough space for the entire family without too much in used square footage. You're sure to appreciate the secluded master suite, which gives homeowners a peaceful escape away from the rest of the home. Other features we think you'll appreciate include the large windows throughout, the deep corner pantry in the kitchen, and the outdoor living space. For more information on the Dover or other floor plans at Settlers Square, contact our sales agent, Jenny Vossler of ERA Realty Center. She can be reached at 435-559-1260.